Ever tried a dessert that's soft, chewy, and comes in flavors like matcha, strawberry, and even chocolate? Mochi is a traditional Japanese rice cake made from glutinous rice flour, water, and sugar. It's simple but magical, transforming into a sticky dough that can be flavored and filled. From classic red bean paste to modern ice cream fillings, mochi is a sweet treat that's as versatile as it is delicious. Rooted in Japanese history, mochi is made for New Year's, weddings, and other celebrations, symbolizing good fortune. Why not taste this unique tradition yourself? Subscribe for more food adventures and let's explore the world bite by bite.